Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. Yeah, ADA has made a decision. Seems like ADA wants to follow the yellow wave count here higher. It broke above this breakout point at 30.5 cents, which was clearly defined. And it's still a messy structure, so I have given my best here to add a microstructure to the chart. But this is subject to change because it's a diagonal, okay? So don't be surprised if things change. Clearly said in last few days that we are at best here in a diagonal structure, and therefore we have to expect some unexpected moves, right? So don't be surprised if suddenly something unexpected happens. But anyway, it broke above the 30.5 cent level. That was the breakout point. A sustained break above this level clearly led to a strong move. So here 8.5%. And I added now this trend line here. I mean, I had a trend line before. I adjusted it a little bit to make it a little bit more reliable. And on the way up now, we could now reach that next area of resistance, which is up here around the 35 to 38 cent region. It seems like we are moving in this diagonal, and it seems like it could become quite a big one. So I've got a wave 1 here. I've got a wave 2, which bottomed on the 20th of June. We had one setup here, that AB setup to trade the C wave. So far that worked out. And now anybody who entered here, it's a bit of a wait and see how high we really go. But as I said, it could now really go to the 35 to 38 cent region. In this C wave here to the upside, that's probably what we are doing right now. We can still push a little higher, and it might be likely to get to the top of that trend channel. If we look at Fibonacci extensions for the C wave, then let me just think, 1, 2, AB. Yeah, so if I take the A wave length, go to the low of the B wave, so we've now reached the 1.618 extension. I mean, that is certainly one relevant extension level for the C wave. Any higher than that would probably take us to the 200% extension at 34.5 cents. Then a fourth wave down and a fifth wave to the upside in the C wave, in the third wave, then a fourth down and a fifth up. That's sort of how the roadmap could look like. Bear in mind, not the clearest of charts, okay, but we give our best to be here as accurate as possible with the wave counts. Diagonals are always a little bit of deriving on sight. And but yeah, for now it seems like we're pushing higher, and the risk of another low seems gone for now. The real test will be after we have the third wave complete, because there's always a risk. It's a larger ABC structure. So we need to pay attention after this third wave is complete. Can it really hold fourth wave support? And if we get there, then I will provide fourth wave support. But for now, seems to be pushing higher. Next resistance, I just gave you the levels, yeah, plus here the trend line. But ultimately, it could reach now this area up there where we have, let me just add the VRVP. Yeah, this is historical volume. So you can clearly see that, or why I called 30.5 cents as a breakout point, because let me just move to the left here, because above 30.5 cents, this is where we first of all had all these spikes, but also an insufficiency in historical volume. So the next cluster of, let's say, volume is here around 36 to 39 cents. So this is where then resistance should start as well again, because this is a historical area of trade. Yeah, that's my update. Just quick update with regards to the updated wave count after today's positive news about SEC and XRP. And the fact that XRP is not a security. Of course, ADA affected. Why is ADA affected? Because ADA is therefore most likely also not a security, even though that's a completely separate topic. But I mean, we've got one example case here now with XRP. So SEC called ADA security as well. So it is fairly like, I mean, I don't know the ins and outs really what was in the ruling. I haven't read it or anything, but certainly these are positive implications for crypto. Yeah, that's my update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.